Hi Group 3, here are your spelling words for this week. Your first word is knit. My grandma knit me a scarf. Knit. Your next word is ring. For Christmas, my mom got a gold ring. Ring. The next word is in. The notebook is in the desk. In. The next word is wring. My towel was so wet I had to wring it out. Wring. Your next word is mist. When I walked outside in the morning, I could see a mist in the air. Mist. The next word is in. During our vacation, we stayed at an inn. Inn. The next word is missed. I was running late and accidentally missed the bus. Missed. Next word is bye. Before leaving school, you have to say bye to Miss Freeman. Bye. The next word is your surprise word for this week. Your surprise word is buy. I had to buy my friend a birthday present. Buy.